Hello and welcome to the Kirby Tech Box channel. Today, let's have a look at the newly launched smartphone from Realme, the Realme X3 in this Glacier Blue variant, and powered by flagship processor of 2019, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus. And would like to thank a friend of mine for providing this unit for unboxing. So this is how it came packed in this Flipkart box, and let's cut the box and get inside. We do get the bill and the actual box of the phone here. Realme X3 Glacier Blue mentioned in this invoice, and 24,999 Indian rupee, the actual price printed. And this is the actual box of the device in this bright yellow color. The X3 branding and the Realme X3 branding written on all sides of the box. Now let's cut through the seal and check all the box contents. First, in this small pouch, we have the dark translucent jelly case included and the device itself. Let's give it a sight for now and have a look what all do we get. We have a 30-watt charger and the cable here in this yellow accent on both the charger and the cable. So here's the phone itself in this shiny glacier blue color. The phone has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Now let's try turning it on, and I will summarize some of its specs while it's booting. Under the hood, the device has a Snapdragon 855 Plus, a 42,000 mAh battery, and comes with 128GB plus 6GB of RAM or 128GB plus 8GB of RAM variant. Coming to the optics, we have a 64MP main camera plus 12MP telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom and 8MP ultra-wide camera plus 2MP macro camera. For selfie, this device have a dual 16 plus 8MP camera. So it has now booted up completely, and you can see here the UI is pretty smooth. That's because this device also comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, so the animation and overall UI feels pretty smooth and super fast. Let's check the Android version it came with. So it's running with the latest Android 10 out of the box. Now let's check the camera of this device. And as you can see here, the device is capable of taking decent shots. The image quality is good. We'll try putting in the jelly case, and this is how it looks with the case on. Now let me check whether we can switch the refresh rate of the phone display. And we also have a dark mode setting here. And so here you can see the refresh rate can be switched between 120Hz to 60Hz only. No option for 90Hz, but that's fine, I guess. So that's all in today's video, guys. I have just showcased the Glacier Blue color variant of the device and shared some info. More video is coming up, and if you have liked the video or like the Glacier Blue variant of the Realme X3, do like and comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you all in our next video.